We've got an exciting update to on-body presentation. You can now generate your own model right inside the tool. Let's start by uploading our clothing. In this case, I'll use a slim-cut brown knit sheath dress. Next, I'll choose Generate Model. I'll type a Southeast Asian model in her early 30s is wearing a slim brown knit sheath dress that hits her mid-calf, paired with brown leather tall boots. She's hanging out in Central Park on a fall day. And then I'll click Generate. I get one option back. Please note, if you'd like to generate multiple model options at once, you can still do that in the Lifestyle Photography tool. I like the model, and if I want to reuse the image later, I can download or save the image to my library. Since I want to use the image as my model for on-body, I'll click Confirm. Raspberry will automatically suggest a mask, but I'll edit to be closer to the size and shape of my dress. Since the model is wearing long sleeves I don't want in my final image, I'll include them in the mask. And click Generate. Once the garment is placed, I can download the result as a PNG, JPEG, TIFF, or PSD. I can also open it directly in the image editor or in Animate, upscale to 2K or 4K, remove the background, save to my library, or export straight to Miro. Now you can build your entire look from model to outfit, all inside on-body presentation.